Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Seek Knowledge with Yusra. Today we are going to study geography. So let's start without wasting time. The chapter that we are going to start is environment. If this video is useful to you, so please don't forget to share, like, follow, comment and turn on bell icon notification, and also subscribe to my channel. So now we discuss about environment. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air to breathe, the water that we drink, the food that we eat, and land where we live. How do human beings modify this natural environment? The car pollute the air, water is collected in a pot, food is served in vessel, and land is useful to build factories. Human beings make car, hills, factories, and manufacture container. This is how human beings modify environment. Now I am going to tell you a story. After the long vacation, when Ravi started to going to school again, he noticed that the only playground next to the school was dug. People said that a huge building with many flats will be constructed there. Ravi was almost in tears when he realized that the big playground with the soft green grass and butterfly is gone forever. He shared his feeling with his classmate. In our assembly, the principal too sadly observed, "See how our environment is changing." In the class, Ravi asked his teacher that what is environment? Whatever you have seen surrounding, said by teacher. They said Ravi that whatever you have seen is called environment. The Ravi thought aloud. That means the school buildings, table, chair in a classroom, even the open field, the road, the garbage, my friends, all are the part of environment. The teacher said, yes, but wait, some objects that created by nature, for example, mountains, rivers, trees, animals, other are made by people, for example, road, car, clothes, books. Now work in pairs. Make a list with the teacher give activity that now work in pairs. Make an activity with your classmates sitting in next to you of the creation of nature by human being. Ravi, Jaisi, Asha was very excited about making the list. Why our environment is changed? Asked Iqbal. It's all because of our needs. They are increasing day by day. We are therefore modifying at all times, even destroying our natural surrounding. The teacher replied, from the above conversation, you understand that the place, people, think, and surrounding are called environment. It is a combination of natural and human made, while the natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic condition existing on the earth. So there are two types of component of environment, that is biotic and abiotic. So now I tell you about the difference between biotic and abiotic, but first I tell you that these two are the layers of, no, not the layers, it is a component of environment. Biotic environment is the world of living organism, while abiotic component is the world of non-living beings. Plants and animals are the part of biotic environment, while land is a part of abiotic environment. So now we discussed that what is natural components. Land, water, air, plants and animals comprise the natural environment. You are familiar with the meaning of lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. From your previous slide, let us learn some more facts about these domains. So these are the four domains. Now first we have about lithosphere. So in this chapter we are going to study about the layer of atmosphere. No, the layer of atmosphere, yes. Atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. The domain of water, referred to as hydrosphere, it comprises various sources of water and different type of water bodies like river, lakes, ocean, sea, etc. It is essential for the living organism. The atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us from the harmful rays heat of the sun. It consists of a number of gases, dust and various water vapor. The changes in atmosphere provide changes the weather and climate. Plants and animal kingdoms together make biosphere or the living world. It is narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other, support life. So these are the four layers that I tell you, and the biosphere is a narrow zone in which all three layers, atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere, interact with each other. Now we are going to study about ecosystem. Ecosystem, it is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical factor of the environment in which they live, all linked by the transfer of energy and material. All plants and animals and human beings depend on their immediate surrounding. Often they are also interdepend on each other. These relation between the living organism as well as the relation between the organism and their surroundings. From an ecosystem, there could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountain, lake, river, ocean and even a small pond. Do you think the park in which Ravi and his friends played for an ecosystem? So now I tell you the story. This question is asked, do you think the part which Ravi and his friends played on ecosystem? Now I tell you story. At an NCC that Ravi class was attending, Jesse explained what is heavy down paper. It remained me my home in Kerala. You should came to see how it pours and over the lush green field and color plant. Hira explained, we get no rain, we see only sand as far as I can see. But you also find camels, said Ravi. Hira said, no, just camel. If you visit our desert, you will see snakes, lizard and many too insects. Ravi wondered why do animals, the vegetative and the way people live vary from place to place? Are they all are related to each other? So the Ravi replied that, oh yes, very much. The teacher replied, all plants and human beings depend their immediate surrounding. Often they are also interdependent on each other. This relation between living organism as well as relation between the organism and their surrounding from an ecosystem. There could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountain, lake, river, ocean and even a small pond. So we have discussed about an ecosystem. Now we discuss about human environment. Human being interact with the environment and modify it according to their need. Early humans adapt themselves to the natural surrounding. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them. With time to time, needs grow and become more varied. Humans learn new way to use the changed environment. They learn to grow crops, domesticate animals and lead a settled life. The wheel was invented, surplus food was produced, better system emerged, trade started and compromise developed, industry revolution enabled large scale production, transformation came faster, information revaluable made communication easier and spread across the world. Now Have you ever thought why you love editing a juicy watermelon in summer and hot roast in winter? A perfect balance is necessary between the natural and human environment. Human must learn to live and use environment in a harmonious way. A girl from Ravi class often talks about the lush green surrounding of her place. Seeing Ravi upset at having lost his playground, Jessie invited him to her home estate during coming vacations. Ravi teacher asked the student to draw landscape and house and activities of people and place they visit during the holidays. Now we are clear with human environment. Now I tell you some points to remember. These are as activities. Just follow. Talk to some elder person in your neighborhood and collect information about the tree in his neighborhood when he or she your age, the indoor games he she played, his her favorite fruit at your age, how do they make themselves comfortable during the summer and cold winter. Display your answer on the board. Let's do. Observe the sky while coming to school. Make a note whether the day is cloudy, rainy, sunny, foggy, etc. Where does the water you use in your home and school come from? Make a list of different uses of water in your daily life. Have you ever seen anyone wasting water? How? Look at your surrounding. Make a list of uses that the land is your neighborhood is being put to. This is the world recognized. Just read it. And the whole chapter that we read it, this is the whole component of environment. Please see this and absorb it. Observe it. And now we are promoted to question answers. Question number 1. What is an ecosystem? The ecosystem that I tell you, the system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and with physical and chemical factor of environment in which they live, all linked by the transfer of energy and material, is called an ecosystem. What do you mean by a natural environment? What in this question we are that what are natural environment? Land, water, air, plants and animal comprise the natural environment. You all are familiar with the meaning of lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere from your previous class. Question 3. Which are the major components of environment? So the major components of environment is the major component of environment includes natural components, human-made components, human component. The example of natural components is air, water, land and living thing. Human-made components is component created by humans and human components means living beings. Next question is give 4 examples of human-made environment. The 4 examples of human-made environment is our buildings, parks, industries and bridge. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere is a solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rock and mineral and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountain, plateau, plains, valley, etc. Landforms are found over the continents and also on the ocean. The lithosphere is the domain that provides us forest, grassland for grazing, land for agriculture and human settlement. It is also source of mineral wealth. The next question is which are the 2 major components of biotic environment? The major components of biotic environment are the basic components and organisms that are naturally present in the environment without any human involvement like land, water, air, animals and plants. Next question is what is biosphere? Biosphere or all living organism is a narrow zone of earth, water and air interact with each other to support life. The plants and animals kingdom together form the biosphere. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful to you, so please don't forget to share, like, follow and comment. Turn on bell icon for notifications and also subscribe to my channel. Bye.